Hi, it's teacher Masha here. This week we're celebrating the 4th of July by painting fireworks. Fireworks light up the sky with beautiful colors and patterns. They come in many shapes like circles, stars, and flowers, and burst into bright reds, blues, yellows, and more. The smoke from the fireworks adds extra colors and atmosphere, making the display even more magical. Let's create our own fireworks scene on canvas. First, paint your canvas a dark color. I'll use dark blue, but you can choose black, purple, or any other dark color you like. Use a white pencil to lightly draw 2 or more circular shapes in the sky. These will be the main shapes of our fireworks. Next, you can paint some smoke clouds. This step is optional, so feel free to skip it if you like. My fireworks will be yellow-orange, so I'm using orangish-red and yellow-purple colors for the smoke. These clouds go behind and around the circles, adding extra color and atmosphere. Use more dim colors so the fireworks themselves will stand out and look bright. Avoid pure colors. Add a complementary color to your main paint so it looks less saturated and works as a good background for the future sparks. Now, take some watery yellow paint and a flat bristle brush. Flick the brush to spray tiny dots over the sky and smoke clouds. This creates a sparkling effect. With the same light yellow, light orange, and white paints, add sharp lines and drops coming from the main shapes of the fireworks. This will make them look bright and bursting. Paint as many different shapes and sizes of fireworks as you like. Look at the references we provide to paint different patterns. Add circles made of lines, dots, stars, all other possible shapes. Make sure that the main shape of this pattern stays kind of round. You can call it the finished artwork here. Or, like me, you can paint some black silhouettes of palm trees or some other trees at the bottom of the canvas. This adds a nice contrast and makes the fireworks stand out even more. Good luck with your painting!